This video walks you through how to use the Modalyst Chrome extension with AliExpress. AliExpress has over 100 million products and 2,800 categories. The products are sent directly from China or AliExpress's warehouses around the world. The Chrome extension enables you to import any product from AliExpress and add it to your store. This includes product information such as titles, descriptions, pictures, pricing, and inventory count. This is all updated daily with your store. When you first come to Modalyst, you'll see that we have a huge selection of products from AliExpress. You can filter down to only see AliExpress products by going to the suppliers and selecting AliExpress. We've selected the best-selling products to be added directly to Modalyst. But if you want to add anything from the entire AliExpress catalog, you will need to go to AliExpress directly and use your Chrome extension to import products. This is how you add our Chrome extension. You simply click on Add to Chrome extension from our Chrome extension page, and that will add it to your browser. From there, you can go to AliExpress directly, and once you refresh the page, you'll see that our Modalyst import button will be added to every single item. You can add products directly from the main index page, or you can click into the product itself and add a product directly from a product page. Here's an example of adding it directly from the product page and all the details that will be added from that page. Click Add to Modalyst. You'll see that it's been added to Modalyst. And then you can go back to Modalyst, click on the import list, and the products will show up. Sometimes due to the size of the images and the number of variants, it takes a little bit longer to add the products. So refresh the page again, and you'll see that all your products have been added. First, you'll notice that the title is red. Wix has a character limit of 80, so you'll need to edit your titles in order for it to be less than 80 characters. Once it's below, you'll be able to save this information and add it to Wix. You can select your collection directly from Modalyst and even add a vendor name if you want one. Next, you'll see the description. Now, AliExpress's descriptions aren't awesome, so we highly recommend changing them yourselves. So just simply select all the content and delete it. You could also use the content within AliExpress as inspiration. An idea here is to copy and paste the information from AliExpress and add it into Modalyst. However, AliExpress has a ton of formatting that's hidden behind the scenes. So when you copy the information and add it to Modalyst, you're going to want to remove the formatting of the content when you add it. So you can do that here. Or you can just simply add in any content that you want yourself. You can also add the content formatting directly within Modalyst, or you can edit it within Wix and change the formatting there as well. Whatever you add here will sync directly to Wix, and if you make any changes in Wix, it will also be synced back to Modalyst. So here's an example of some content just so you can see that it will sync to your Wix store once you click on Add to Wix. And here's all the variant information, including the pictures and the SKUs, the names, the sizes, and all the inventory. We also have the pricing, which has been adjusted with the pricing rules, and you can select your shipping directly here. Please note that this is the shipping that will be selected when you sync the order to AliExpress. So I've selected the cheapest shipping, and Modalyst will automatically select the cheapest shipping for you. There's also all the imagery from AliExpress, and if you don't want to include all of it, you can always uncheck one of them. Now you're ready to add it to your store. Click Add to Wix. And when you go to your Wix store, you'll see that this product will be added in the product section. So simply refresh the page, and it'll add the product directly into your Wix store. Now, all the product information is synced directly with Modalyst as well as AliExpress. So as the price changes or variants are updated, all of that will sync through from Modalyst to your Wix store. So we keep everything updated every single day so that you're sure to sell inventory at the right price with the right variant count. Now when you click into the product, you're going to find all the same information that you saw on AliExpress. This includes the pictures, and then as we scroll down, you can see that there's a collection that's been automatically selected from Modalyst. The name changes of the title, the content changes of the description, the colors, the sizing, and all the pricing associated with it. Everything's been synced. Now when we go to a store and we refresh our store page, you'll see the product will appear. So there's the product there. It's just taking a moment to load. And when you click on the product, you're going to see all the same information that's been nicely laid out on your page. All the beautiful pictures, the title change that we did, the pricing rules markup, the color, the size, and it's all ready to be ordered by your customer.